Ever wondered why your stomach sounds like a roaring lion when you're hungry? It's not as weird as it seems. When you're hungry, your brain sends a signal to your digestive system to get ready for food. Your stomach and intestines start contracting in a process called migrating motor complex. Think of it like your stomach cleaning itself up. These contractions push air and leftover food particles through your gut, creating those grumbling noises, what scientists call borborygmi. The growl gets louder when your stomach is empty because there's nothing to muffle the sound. So, it's your body's way of saying, "Feed me, please." Next time your stomach growls, you'll know it's just your body preparing for its next meal.